Hey all, so today I'm gonna trade on 2 minutes time frame. So the earlier trade which I took, so at that time, so the market was in correction mode. It means there were huge news release, so that's why I'm seeing a huge candlesticks here. So earlier I was also using a 5 minutes time frame, but I have reduced my time frame to 2 minutes now. Alright, so now let's analyze the market. So I'm gonna take around 5 trades back to back. Alright, so this is, let's consider this as a bias area, and as of now the market is in the uptrend. Alright, so I need a very good entry point and also need to analyze. Okay, so previously the market broke this area, alright, and now it's like forming as a higher low to a lower higher low to higher low. Yes, so until here market completed its uptrend until this area. From here it started moving down. So as you can see, this is the next buyer's entry. So I think this is a retracement candle of an upcoming uptrend, because the major trend is an uptrend. So from here already there is a small rejection, so the buyer's entry. Okay, so I'm going to put a call option here. So I put a call option here because the major trend is an uptrend. Okay, the next entry of the sellers is here or here, and there is a gap, and previously there is a strong buying pressure and the buyer's entry. So that's why I kept for a call option here. So let's see. So this is a winning trade, so I'm going to take another trade after this candle completes. All right, there is a rejection from buyers. Buyers entered very strongly to this area. There is a selling pressure as well. So I put a put option here because as we can see the market is making higher low. This is a high, low, and high, and low, and another high and another low. It means it's following actually this type of trend, and previously there is a strong selling pressure in the previous candle here with a um, strong selling pressure, and the buyers are very weak, and the next entry of the probability of the buyers is either here at this area or this area. So if the candle breaks this area, this one, so there is a chance that market will continue until this area. So let's see how it goes. So I'm expecting that this will be the next entry of buyers, or this area, or this one, or So this is the probability of bias. Okay, strong selling pressure and a strong seller's entry. Mm, and there is a round number here, this one. Okay, we won the trade. So again I'm gonna go with the put option here. So again I went for a put option here because I'm expecting, I saw that there is a strong selling pressure, and these two candles show the momentum for a downtrend, and the there is no enough rejection from the buyers from this area. So I'm expecting that the market will continue until this level. So till now I think I took 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 trades. So all are winning trades. So let's see. So I'll take one more trade and I'll finish the video. Right. So here I think there is a buyer's entry from this area, from here, as expected. As you can see, this is a strong buyers and giving rejections. Okay. This whole area is a buyer's area. So this is a winning trade, and one more last trade. So again I put a put option here because, so this is actually the momentum from these three candles, and there is a strong selling pressure in the previous candle, strong sellers, and the next entry of the buyers is here. So in a momentum it is not good to go against the momentum, so that's why I uh, kept for a put option here. So I'm expecting that at least the sellers will continue until they will at least fill this gap. So there is a gap between this area. So there is a gap between from this area to this area. So at least one more bearish candle will appear. Then market will take a retracement to one single candle, and depending upon the buyer's strength, it will have a momentum to uptrend, because since the major trend is an uptrend, or else the market may break this area. So let's see how the candle will close. And also this is a continuation sign, inverted hammer. I think there will be one more opportunity for me to go for one more trade here, because still there is a gap. If it fills the gap, I will stop the trade. Okay. So totally I took 5 trades from here. First, my first trade was a call option in this candle, because I was seeing a buying pressure from this area, since it is the market is an uptrend and previous candle was a buyer's, so it was an item one. And second one was for a put option. So after the candle closed here, so I saw that there is a strong selling pressure in the previous candle and market was in this formation like this. It was coming like this. So I saw this pattern like this. So here, so already market tried two times to break this area. So already the sellers are entered into the buyer's area. So that's why I put for a entered for a put option here. So this candle was my ITM, and after this candle again I entered with a put option here in this candle, because I saw that previously there is a strong seller's entry, and another there was a strong selling pressure, and that's why I entered for a put option here again. And after this candle completion again I entered with a put option. I was confident that because the next buyers are here. See, as you can see, the current candle there is a huge rejections from the buyers, and also this is a sign of continuation that there was a momentum. So these are the reasons which made me to take for a put option from this area. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.